Which of my shoe boxes will fail me first? We're gonna run errands in all of them today. Will it be the one-of-one Dodge Delar? This car hasn't been driven since the radiator went through the radiator fan. What about one of the two Roll Stangs? Or last but not least, will it be the LSX Turbo Swap Fox White Mustang that has never been driven in the winter and is freshly tuned? Yeah, buddy. Woo. What the? So, obviously the problem with this car, as you can tell, it's a convertible. The top does work, but I like to make less trouble for myself. So we're gonna go to the gas station, get gas, come back, survive. It's gonna be a common theme today. Got no gas. Yeah, sorry.
I was just watching your video just 30 seconds ago.
Which one?
The most recent one about the broken cars. It was funny because you jumped right into the video of this one. I'm like, wait.
There it is. It's back out. Have a good one, man. I appreciate it. Looks like we were dumping antifreeze. All right, so we put about $7.53 into it, which is like 3/4 of a tank, almost full. If any 80-year-old wants to buy this car, that's how you have to get into it. I can't tell. Sometimes it sounds like it's here, and then sometimes it sounds like it's there.
Don't see these every day, do you?
No, this is the only one of these.
Mary?
No.
Okay.
No.
How'd you go?
Got a picture of it?
Mine had onboard camera.
Oh, yeah, there you go. You tracked it yet?
Huh?
Have you gone to the track yet?
I did when I first got it.
Did you go to Spring Mountain?
No.
You gotta check that out someday. You get to beat on other people's cars and, you know, pay a small deductible if you go off the course, but...
I took it out. I went on bike trips every year with my buddies. And I always got hung in the back, you know?
Yeah.
So their bikes were always fucking bigger, better, faster. I said, fuck you guys, I ain't taking a bike this year. I'm taking a Camaro.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm doing 180 mile an hour in that bitch.
Yeah.
I'm going by these guys and fucking everybody's hands fucking burning. And a couple of the old guys didn't like me.
Of course not, yeah.
The young guys are like, fuck, that's the coolest motherfucker shit I've ever seen.
Okay. Tray table comes out, box comes up. Of course, man. Yeah, thank you. Have a good one, man. All right, so the plan is to get a seat cushion for my other car. Low-key, this shot is pretty cinematic with the sunset going on, lows, and then the Pitmobile up here in front. I knew I should have stayed home today.
What?
I knew I should have stayed home today. I've had the worst luck.
You're fine. You're fine.
Bro, I blew up my other car's engine
What
yesterday.
car?
My new one.
Dude, no way. Nah, you're good. You should park in the middle of this. Apologize. Stop. You got it?
So I can eat whatever I want pretty much.